Clackamas County is working with Damascus, Gresham, and Happy Valley on a planning project to identify the future look and alignment of Southeast 172nd Avenue north of Sunnyside Road, and to determine how it will connect to Southeast 190th Drive in the Gresham area. The area around this corridor includes much of the most recent additions to the Portland metropolitan urban growth boundary and is planned for significant growth. A new north-south roadway connection in this area is needed to accommodate the associated growth of local and regional traffic. If you look at the roadway network in this area, you will notice that while there are lots of options for traveling east and west, the options for traveling north and south are very limited, with no direct routes available between I-205 to the west and Southeast 242nd Avenue to the east. The 172nd to 190th corridor is centrally located between I-205 and Southeast 242nd, and is also the site of a natural break in the hilly terrain. This connection is initially projected to serve approximately 25,000 vehicles per day by 2035. By joining these two roadways, a vital connection will be provided for the community and future growth and sustainability within the region. Transportation funding projections are very low, and Clackamas County does not anticipate constructing the facility in the near future, let alone building it out to the ultimate size needed to accommodate a full build-out of the area. Rather, they hope that this project will provide for the preservation of the connection. By identifying the long-term look and alignment of the corridor, growth will be able to occur without jeopardizing the future utility of this corridor. This will allow it to be constructed in phases, as growth warrants it, and without the growing pains experienced in the past. Many longtime residents are familiar with the growth that has occurred along Sunnyside Road. As you can see, Sunnyside Road prior to 1980 used to be a rural route similar to 172nd, but over time, as growth occurred, so did the road. The result of this has been unfortunate and expensive building demolitions, relocations, and for some, just the loss of their backyard. By identifying the future of 172nd and 190th today, we hope to reduce future growing pains along the corridor. In their current form, Southeast 172nd Avenue and Southeast 190th Drive lack the needed continuity and capacity to serve future traffic demand. But, if we preserve the appropriate right-of-way for the long-term corridor needs, we can ultimately allow the corridor to be constructed in the most cost-efficient way. By protecting the corridor, we are also ensuring sustainability for the area and helping to protect the area from future urban growth boundary expansions. We encourage you to get involved in the 172nd 190th Corridor project to help the county and the associated cities establish the desired values of the corridor, discover the opportunities and constraints towards developing the corridor, design alternative concepts that best fit into the context of the surrounding environment, discuss the trade-offs between various concepts, and ultimately document the preferred alignment, streetscape, and integration of the surrounding land use. Please lead us down the road at http://172nd.com.